Good morning, students. So in this video we are going to learn about flame. Okay, so what is a flame? When you see different types of substances burning, suppose a candle we light, we can see the flame. Okay, when we burn the gas stove, we can see the flame out of it. Okay, so this is the reason where the combustion of the fuels take place. Okay, so that is called as flame. So flame is the reason in which combustion of fuels take place. Okay, some of the substances which burn by producing flame, you can see, are LPG, biogas, wax, okay, in candles, then magnesium, kerosene, mustard oil, etc. All the substances, they burn to produce flame. Okay, then the color of the flame, it may be of two different colors, okay, based on the proportion of oxygen, availability of the fuel, okay, temperature, etc. So the color of the flame, either it will be blue or yellow, it depends on three factors. First one is the nature of the substance, either it is wood or it is LPG gas or it is your candle. Okay, secondly, amount of air or oxygen present. Okay, blue flame, we get the blue flame when there is complete combustion, that means when there is sufficient amount of air present in and around the substance. Okay, then yellow flame we get when there is incomplete combustion. Okay, yellow flame also called as luminous flame, which occurs when there is incomplete combustion of the fuel. Okay, so in this context we are going to learn the structure of a candle flame. All of you have seen a candle, right? When we light it, what happens? We can see the wax melting, yes, and then it gives rise to a flame which is yellow in color. If you have not seen, you can do the experiment at home and can see this. Okay, so as you can see in the picture, the structure of a candle flame, it has got three different zones. Okay, first one is the inner zone, outer zone, middle zone. Okay, the outer zone, it is blue in color. Middle zone, which is yellow in color, that we can see, okay, that is the luminous zone, and the black zone, it is the innermost zone, which is black in color. Okay, it is the coolest part of the candle flame. Okay, so let us see one by one what happens in this different zones. Okay, firstly, the innermost zone. The innermost zone, it is black in color. It consists of hot unburned vapors of the combustible materials. Okay, suppose the wax here, it is the coolest part of the flame. Okay, second one, the middle zone. The middle zone, it is yellow in color. Okay, the fuel vapors here, it burns partially. Okay, partial combustion takes place in the middle zone. Okay, so the partial combustion of burning of the fuel here, the wax particles, okay, in the middle zone, it produces certain carbon particles. Okay, so this carbon particles, what happens, it becomes hot and then emit the light. So it is the glow of the hot carbon particles which makes the middle zone of the flame luminous or giving us light. So what we can see in the candle flame, it is the middle zone or the yellow colored flame. Okay, so this carbon particles, what happens, it leaves the flame as smoke and the soot particles. Okay, so the third and the last one is the outer zone, the outermost zone, which is blue in color. Okay, so the outermost zone, it is non-luminous, it does not emit much light. Okay, so here what happens, complete combustion of the fuel take place. Okay, since there is plenty of oxygen or air in and around it. Okay, so the outermost zone has the highest temperature. Okay, so it is also the hottest part of the flame. So this is the structure of a candle flame, which has got three different zones: outer zone, middle zone, and the innermost zone. Okay, outer zone, which is blue in color, middle zone which is yellow in color, and black zone which is the inner zone which is black in color.